What's up guys, let's set up Asus RT-AX53U router as a repeater. Heads up, you don't need to connect your router with your internet source via the cable, and I recommend you to reset your router first. To reset, just grab the pin, find the reset button on the back panel and push this button for a couple of seconds until the power indicator starts blinking. Okay, now then release. Now these two indicators will turn on as well. That's it. And everything is gonna lead up back again. Yes. So now the router is reset and we can start. Setting up as a repeater is available from the web interface only, so you can use your mobile device, of course, but I recommend you to do it on the desktop because it's much more convenient. Make sure you have Wi-Fi indicators on your router turned on, and then connect your laptop or any other gadget to the Asus network, like this. And then open your browser. In the search bar, type in the following IP address. This is your router's default gateway, or you can just type in router.asus.com, hit enter. It takes you to the router's welcome page. You don't need to create a new network, of course, because you tried to extend the existing one. So click on the advanced settings, click on choose operation mode, and here select repeater mode. Now it's scanning for the available networks. My main network's name is my Wi-Fi. I'm going to extend this network using my Asus router. Failed to detect any networks. Okay, try to do it one more time. Refresh. Click on this round arrow. By the way, make sure that your main router works properly. It's connected to the internet. You see, it's successful. This is my networks. I have two bands. I can select any of them, and the system will automatically apply my settings to the second one. So let me select 5 GHz and enter my current Wi-Fi password. Well, this interface is pretty stubborn. For example, this typing cursor is very unreal. I have to click two or more times at the same place to get the result. So you need some sort of extra patience here. So once you enter the password, click on next, click on automatic IP. And here you can change the name of your extended network or leave the defaults, your main network with RPT added to the end. Also, you can change the extended network's password or stick with defaults, which I'm gonna do now. Let's apply. Now let's create the router login, the login which we will use to manage the router's settings in future. Remember or write down this password somewhere, because if you forget this password, you have to set up your router from scratch, because there is no way to recover this password. You have to reset it. Once again, it's pretty stubborn. It's pretty unreal. I'm clicking on this next button, nothing happens. So just be patient here. If you need to click a few times, click a few times. So once you see this summary page, you can write down your credentials or remember your credentials and connect to the new network. You don't need this Asus network anymore. It's gonna disappear soon. So you need my Wi-Fi _ RPT. If you don't see your extended network here, try to restart Wi-Fi on your device. And once again, be patient and just wait for a new network to appear in this list. It might take up to 2 minutes or even more, maybe 3 minutes. But after everything is set up, you will connect to your new network very quick. So now you see 2 new networks in your list. Let's connect to 5 GHz because it's faster. 2.4 GHz has wider range, but it's slower. Well, the password is the same as for our main network. Click on Next. Connected and secured. Now let's try to access the router setting using the default gateway. The default gateway is this one. Let's hit on Enter. And it's unsuccessfully because now we have a different IP for our router. So how to get this new IP, how to access your router in the extender mode. Okay, once again, let's try router.asus.com. But this is not a router anymore. That's a thing. So you need to get the IP address of your router when it works in extender mode. You need to go to your main router's gateway first. So my main router has another gateway. So now you need to enter your login and password. And in your router settings, you need to make your way to the DHCP server setting. I don't know how you do it in your router, but in my router, it's in Advanced Settings, Network, DHCP. So client list, and we see unnamed device here. And this is our new extender. Copy paste, and that's it. Here you can enter username, enter your admin password, sign in, and manage your router's settings. That's it, guys. I hope this was helpful. If yes, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and be awesome. Bye, guys.